And by the way, Billy, the girlfriend of yours, I think she's really ugly. It's time for you to move on now.
Dad, you were wrong. You hurt my feelings.
I apologize, son. I'm really sorry. I didn't mean it that way. Son, I know you've been moving around with that girl. What's her name? Nikki? Man, I'm gonna tell you, 100. She ugly.
Whoa, Pops. You're wrong for that. You need to apologize.
Yo, don't you ever talk to your daddy like that. The next time you talk to me like that, I'm gonna whoop your behind. You better apologize to me, son.
Junior, are you on Bookface? I mean Facebook. I mean, what do you people call it?
Facebook. Yeah, I'm
Listen, this Cynthia, your cousin. Why is she looking like God forsaken daughter of Jezebel?
Daddy, now you should not say that. You are wrong. You should apologize.
Junior, me, I am wrong. I should apologize, Junior. I should apologize.